The 49 dinner recipes for weight loss. 1 black bean and rice enchiladas. 2 zucchini crust pizza. 3 pork and asparagus sheet pan dinner. 4 mushu mushroom wraps. 5 turkey stroganoff with spaghetti squash. 6 chili stuffed poblano peppers. 7 pinto bean tostadas. 8 sheet pan tilapia and vegetable medley. 9 Mediterranean turkey skillet. 10 ginger chicken noodle soup. 11 vegetarian bean tacos. 12 Southwest turkey soup. 13 baked cheddar eggs and potatoes. 14 hearty Italian white bean soup. 15 Greek stuffed banana peppers. 16 tomato garlic lentil bowls. 17 turkey mole tacos. 18 curried rice and noodles. 19 mango chutney chicken curry. 20 vegetarian black bean pasta. 21 tangy turkey tostadas. 22 1-2-3 grilled salmon for 2. 23 cauliflower soup. 24 veggie omelette with goat cheese. 25 turkey sausage zucchini boats. 26 sweet potato and bean quesadillas. 27 quinoa turkey chili. 28 Mediterranean broccoli and cheese omelette. 29 lemon Dijon pork sheet pan supper. 30 slow-cooked Moroccan chicken. 31 Asian turkey lettuce cups. 32 broccoli veggie pasta primavera. 33 pico de gallo black bean soup. 34 sheet pan pineapple chicken fajitas. 35 brown sugar glazed salmon. 36 satisfying tomato soup. 37 sun-dried tomato turkey burgers. 38 sweet potatoes with cilantro black beans. 39 coconut curry chicken soup. 40 sheet pan chipotle lime shrimp bake. 41 slow cooker pork and apple curry. 42 turkey stuffed bell peppers. 43 chicken barley soup. 44 peachy pork with rice. 45 potato cheddar frittata. 46 pan roasted chicken and vegetables. 47 turkey white chili.
48 slow-cooked curry chicken. 49 apple sausage salad with cinnamon vinaigrette.